Now we will learn cargo check and cargo FMT. Cargo check is like a linter in JavaScript frameworks. It partially compiles and checks for errors. And cargo FMT is a formatter for Rust. Rust FMT is a formatter component that is installed with Rust default installation profile. Let us format with cargo FMT. The match statement line was not formatted. Now we run cargo FMT. After running cargo FMT, it is formatted. Once again we go to the single line match statement, and now let's format the same line with Rust FMT. Rust FMT and give the file name. This will format the single line match. Yes, it's formatted. And next is Clippy. Cargo Clippy. Clippy is also like a linter, but it gives more meaningful suggestions and warnings. Cargo check only tries to compile with Rust C. Cargo Clippy gives all errors and warnings of Rust cargo check combined with a Clippy specific message. Clippy warnings are more meaningful. This extra lint process makes slower while run Rust project with Clippy. Okay, let us see it in action. And don't confuse with the lines I pasted here. Only focus on cargo commands. We will learn these program statements detail in later. Okay, let us run cargo Clippy. It shows its suggestion. In line 11, the option demo OKR error to wound. We used OKR function, and if we run Clippy, it suggests to use OKRLs instead of OKR. The OKRLs is best suited for this place. And in line 1, used Rust library. This will import Rust library, and in line 5 and 6 we explicitly used Rust library. If we import Rust library in line 1, then no need to specify it in line 5 and 6 or remove the line 1. Cargo Clippy is an useful tool in Rust project. Next command is cargo tree. The cargo tree command shows the project dependencies as tree format. Let us run the cargo tree command. Here Rust binary uses Rust library. Okay, we will add one more dependency in Rust library. The dependency is rand package. We add rand package as a dependency of Rust library, and Rust library is imported within Rust binary. Let's run cargo tree. Rust binary uses Rust library uses rand package, and rand uses its sub package, and so on. And next command is cargo doc. The cargo doc is used to document your binary crate and library crate and its dependencies too. Okay, let us generate documentation using cargo doc --open. The --open is for open the generated document after it's generated. Here it is generated and opened. Let us see the documentation. Here in Rust binary crate we have two functions, main and option demo. See, in Rust binary we have two functions, main and option demo. And the documentation includes Rust binary, Rust library and its dependencies too. Now we see Rust library. The Rust library also have two functions, hello and hi. So Rust binary create uses Rust library create, and Rust library create uses rand create. Here rand create documentation is also generated. You can also see the rand create documentation in doc.rs. And the next command is cargo edit. It is a useful create. Like cargo watch, cargo edit is also not pre-installed. This tool extends functionality of cargo. By this you can add, remove and upgrade dependencies from the command line, and it modifies the cargo.toml file. To install, you use cargo install cargo edit command. This is crates.io, the Rust repository for all crates. Cargo add, cargo rm is remove, cargo upgrade, cargo set version. And we can install cargo edit with the features. We learn about features option with more detail in later section. And this is docs.rs. This page is detailed documentation site for all Rust crate, and it has a section called feature flags. Here it shows all features and flags available for that crate. In cargo edit, available features are default, add, rm and upgrade and set version. And the next is version commands. Cargo -- version shows cargo's version, and rust c -- version shows Rust compiler version. Let us check cargo -- version. It shows cargo's version, and rust c -- version, it shows Rust compiler version. Rust up -- version, it shows the Rust toolchain version.